Hi guys, we are next to the sea today, and I'm gonna explore Second World War anti-aircraft artillery battery. Yes. So this one calls Nordmolle anti-aircraft artillery battery, and some history about it. In 1939, during the development of anti-aircraft defense system of Klaipėda, we are in Klaipėda right now, city. This anti-aircraft artillery battery was built. The battery was used actively in military actions and battle for Klaipėda City in October 1944 till January 1945. The object was vacated at the end of January 1945. The object is marked with a military heritage symbol. So yeah, you can take a closer look at it, how it looks like. So we'll see one piece over there, some pieces in the middle, one piece over there. We can just go around first of all. Some steps could be useful. Yeah, I can just go around one circle. You can take, yeah, you can even go inside over here. Okay, I will go around one circle and then I can just fly with the drone a little bit and see how it looks like from above. Okay, so this is the left side of this bunker. Nice. So you can see a lot of graffiti in there on the all sides. And look at this sign. It's not allowed to walk over here. Yeah, I think it's not so safe over there. And a lot of graffiti here. A lot of it. So yeah, it looks like it was pretty huge one. So yeah, over there is Baltic Sea. It looks nice. Yeah, but you can see the water is coming closer and closer. What do we have here? Danger, do not get closer. And yes, you're gonna jump over. We're gonna jump on it. Yeah, so it looks like it was one piece on this, on the left side, one piece on the right side, and some storage units in the middle. Yeah, it looks good. It looks huge, and we can see some more graffiti in the middle and a basketball. Yeah, that's nice. Some basketball. And what do we have here? A pretty cool, pretty nice bedroom. in the sun. Nice. So yeah, we are in Lithuania, by the way, so we can see that it's a basketball country. We have basketball even here next to the World War bunker. Nice one. Some more graffiti. Okay. Looks nice. That's nice graffiti over there as well. Okay. Yeah, pretty huge. Pretty huge. Looking good, like from the Second World War. Still good. Yep. Some signs. It is allowed to walk, but it is dangerous to walk over there. And maybe to do like this, to climb on top. Yeah, and I think so after some years the water gonna be over here, so yeah, those places next to the sea, they're gonna be under the water. Looking good. And I think so here you can fall down. It's kind of dangerous, you really need to jump on the side like that. Yeah, so that was a full circle. Okay. So I think so here was that anti-aircraft, one of the cannons. Yeah, pretty huge. And a beautiful view. Okay, I think so now it's the right time to start up engines for our drone and take a closer look from above. Okay.